you are done, you can just tell me. You don't have to wait for the others. Okay.
Ma'am, I have selected the chapters.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, first one is the calculation portion of surface area and volume, specifically the volume portion, and the triangles chapter where we have to prove
Wait, just a
different.
minute, just a minute. So the calculation part, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then
Then triangles.
triangles. Triangles, any specifics?
Ma'am, only the proving part.
Proofs. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is not correct. Just have a look one more time. C. C is correct, Daksh. Manvi, yes, first one is correct. Manya, where are you? Were you able to do? Yes, it is correct. Manya, it's correct. What is... So all of your first answer is correct. Number B. Number B. Daksh is correct. How are you getting that?
And me?
Both of you got 25 by 36.
Ma'am, now I've sent again.
All of you got 25 by 36. But I see it is 26, 23 or not. The last one is correct. Yes, all of you. Won't pairs were product less than 16. How many pairs are there whose product is less than 16? Are you considering 16 as well? You cannot consider 16 because it is less than, it is not less than equal to. Yeah, wait, just let me check. I may also be wrong. So it is 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, right? And then we have 1, 1, 1, 2. Yeah, so here we have 6, here we have 6. Then 5, then 3, then 3, then 2. Okay. Yeah. 25, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's correct. And the last third one is also correct. Okay. Was a mistake. Okay. Chalo, next question. Okay, now you tell me, do you have that Water stream questions, I don't think you have that. Boat and streams, those are not coming in the exam, I suppose.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, they are not coming. Yeah. Okay, and pipes also? Pipe water?
मैम उनमें थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है
हाँ हाँ
मैम उन क्वेश्चंस में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है
हाँ, लेकिन I don't think it is coming in the exam.
ओके मैम
मतलब मुझे I got to know that like in the last it didn't appear, like it didn't come in the first boards it occurred, or did any of you got it in the papers?
No, ma'am, it
नो
was not.
मैम
No,
नो मैम
ma'am.
No, na? Yeah, it was not there. Yes. Okay. Places A and B are 180 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction, at different speeds, they meet in 9 hours. If they travel towards each other with the same speed as before, they meet in an hour. In our next class, don't worry, we are not going to waste time writing questions because I will have everything prepared. Like prepared as in the questions, I will prepare everything. So there will be PDFs, you can directly read it, and the solutions I will be showing you obviously if there is an issue. But you see, so just today you manage, just for today. Okay. You do not understand my handwriting, वो भी बोलना. Okay, do it.
मैम ये जब क्वेश्चन में द कार्स ट्रैवल इन द सेम डायरेक्शन एट डिफरेंट स्पीड दे मीट इन मैम उसके बाद कोई पर्टिकुलर आर है क्या
They meet in 9 hours.
ओके मैम
Ma'am, can you tell the times once again?
First one is 9 hours, second one is 1 hour. So it is an hour, you see. Yeah, correct. Yes, Daksh, you're correct. Sorry, not Daksh. Manya. Okay, you're correct. Both your answers are correct. Manya, you can next tomorrow before joining the class, change the name. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
I might call you by Shivangi then. गलती से.
Okay, ma'am.
It's correct, Saransh. Are you guys almost done? Or should I give another question to the rest of them? Those who have finished.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. You're not able to do, the rest of you, any difficulty, you can ask me. Are you able to do or not? Manvi, Daksh,
Just a second, ma'am. Few steps left.
नहीं मतलब कर पा रहे हो कि नहीं वो बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. कर पा रहे
हाँ
हैं.
ठीक है करो. You have sample papers at home like for practice.
Yes, ma'am, we have.
Have it. So today is Thursday. So on Monday or whenever, like after like this third class, I would say. Today is the first class, second, third class. So on third class, I'm going to I'm giving you a homework to all of you that you need to come finish once any sample paper you take, preferably something that you find that here the questions are a little difficult. Take that, put a timer, solve it, try to solve it within the questions. और आई वुड से जितना टाइम होता है हमारे पास एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में वो ही टाइम सेट करो और चेक करो कि कितना सम्स हो पाता है हमें उस टाइम में. ठीक है? How much you are able to finish, and that is going to be your homework because you need to do it and again you need to submit it to me. ठीक है? Is it fine? Understood? All of you?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. No, Manvi, it's not correct. Okay, Daksh, are you done? Then I will show you her. अभी देखो मानवी. So we know distance equals to speed into time,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
So speed of the first car we can take at x, and speed of the second car we can take as y, and the distance is given as 180. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे relative speed आएगा क्योंकि दोनों के बीच में हमें comparison करना है. So here it will be distance 180 equals to x minus y into the time. So from here we are getting x minus y equals to 90. Sorry, equals to 20. The first equation. Did you get it? What I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Manvi? Daksh,
Yes.
your answer is correct. You can go to the next question. All the three of you can go to the next question. Manvi, first of all, you clear
Ma'am?
this and then you can go. ठीक है?
मैम ये ट्राइंगल एफबीडी सिमिलरिटी का साइन है बीच में.
हाँ, ये. I
Okay,
was
ma'am.
holding it so it become a straight line. ठीक है. So understood the first one? How did you obtain the first equation? Opposite direction, I mean, for the opposite direction. This is for the opposite direction.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when it is for the same direction, again it will be like 180 equals to x plus y into 1 or not? Because time taken is 1 hour. Understood? So from here you are
Yes,
going to get x plus y equals to 180. So this is the second equation. So now you have to solve this equation. We can add all these two equations, x plus y plus x minus y equals to 180 plus 20. So 2x, y will be cancelled. 2x will be equals to 200. So x will be equals to 100. Clear? Am I clear till this point?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So अभी हमें x का वैल्यू पता है, हम किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे. So it is 100 minus y equals to 20. So y will be equals to 100 minus 20, which is equals to 80. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. So कहाँ पे गलती हुई थी बताओ अभी. 40 और 50 कैसे मिला वो बताओ.
मैम सेकंड इक्वेशन में मिस्टेक हुई थी.
सेकेंड इक्वेशन में मिस्टेक हो गई तो पहला इक्वेशन का वैल्यू 40 कैसे आया. वो भी तो 100 आना चाहिए था.
मैम इक्वेशन बनने में मिस्टेक हुई थी.
ठीक है. जब हम लोग ऑपोजिट में जाएंगे तब सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा, और जब हम लोग सेम डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे तब एडिशन होगा. ठीक है?
यस
ओके.
मैम.
हाँ, करो अभी नेक्स्ट सिमिलैरिटी. ये यहाँ पे कौन सा थ्योरम आएगा? हु कैन टेल मी?
I am done, ma'am.
Ma'am,
यहाँ पे
firstly, uh,
यहाँ पे हम लोग कौन सा थ्योरम यूज करेंगे वो बताओ पहले.
Ma'am, midpoint theorem.
ma'am, midpoint theorem.
पॉइंट थ्योरम. ठीक है, कर लो. थोड़ा सा वेट करते हैं. लेट देम डू इट ऑल्सो वेल. ठीक है?
Done,
ठीक
ma'am.
है. लेट्स वेट फॉर 2 minutes. इट्स नॉट अ लेंदी सम. यहाँ पे बस पैरेलल शो करना है कौन सा साइड के साथ कौन सा. done? Dakshara.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Manya, are you done?
No, ma'am.
Any problem?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या problem हुआ?
मैम मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम के बाद समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम के बाद समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। सो जिसने किया है वो समझाएगा।
Should I
Who
explain,
did
ma'am?
it? Yes.
मैम पहले मिड पॉइंट थ्योरम का यूज करके हमें पैरेलल लाइंस प्रूव करनी है, जैसे DE पैरेलल टू BF एंड FE पैरेलल टू BD. दिस
धीरे
विल फॉर्म
धीरे
अ पैरेललोग्राम.
धीरे धीरे। You cannot go so fast क्योंकि you are trying to explain it to someone. ठीक है, उसको उसके
Okay.
पेस में जाओ। हाँ ठीक है, tell me DE equals to DE
BF
parallel to BF.
and
मैम आ गया
FE
समझ में।
parallel BD.
आ गया समझ?
यस मैम, ये पैरेललोग्राम बन जाएगा BFED।
हाँ, तो दो ट्राइंगल्स, सिमिलैरिटी क्राइटेरिया कौन सा?
मैम ये से हो जाएगा।
हाँ, ए से हो जाएगा। ओके या मानवी,
Yes, ma'am, done.
गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, कुड यू डू इट और नॉट? हेलो मानवी, कुड यू डू इट?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, अभी एक सर्कल का सम करते हैं। हाँ कैरी ऑन। All of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, बाकियों को बोलने दो. Daksh, you check your denominator. Check for your denominator. The numerator, it's correct, but I think there is a denominator में कुछ शायद गलती है. Yes. Yeah, it is correct now. ठीक है. The rest of you, what are the properties you are considering here? Radius is given. OC is the median to the side AB. So basically that means C is the midpoint of AB. O and OB is equal, so triangle OAB is going to be the isosceles triangle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So A is on the, suppose if you analyze the diagram, A is on the y-axis and the distance from O is 7 centimeter. And B again, from the B also, both the radiuses are same. So that means what? This is also 7. This is also 7. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 90 degree. So you can use the hypotenuse to find out AB. So AB equals to root over OA square plus OB square. So 7 square plus 7 square. 49 plus 49. 898. So that gives you 7 root 2. Okay? All of you got this? I see another student. Hello, Arvind.
Ma'am, how can we prove that the angle O is 90 degree?
मतलब?
Ma'am, angle
Right angle isosceles triangle ना? Angle OAB is a right angle isosceles triangle.
okay, ma'am.
हाँ. So अभी यहाँ से रूट 7 रूट 2 मिल रहा है और उसके बाद हम लोग मीडियन निकालेंगे which is half of AB. So which will be half of 7 root 2. So it will be 7 root 2 by 2. Am I clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Manvi, you couldn't do it or you could do it?
Then, ma'am.
You could do it.
Yes,
मतलब मेरे
ma'am.
दिखाने से पहले तुम लोगों ने फिगर आउट कर लिया था.
Yes, ma'am. वो बस नीचे वाले 2 से जो ऊपर 7 था उसको
हाँ वो उसमें शायद प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, राइट? ठीक है, लेकिन 7 रूट 2 मिला, राइट सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है.
Yes.
मान्या 7 रूट 2 मिला?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है. ठीक है, सारांश as well, you got 7 root 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है. Arvind Kumar, like Is he with you guys? Like your classmate? Hello, Arvind, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am. Oh, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, good evening. So
Uh,
you joined late. We are
no,
doing.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Because I am here to see the class, है ना? Like,
Acha, I'm so sorry.
okay.
No, I did
No,
not
no.
understand. Everybody's name is here. I did not. I'm
Okay.
so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please don't mind.
Okay. I am the vice principal of this school, the
Okay.
Yogi School,
Hello. Good
right?
evening,
Okay.
sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Actually, I did
Good
not
evening.
recognize you. No. Thank you. Yes. So sorry, sir. Yeah. A piece of wire to 22 centimeter long is bent into the form of an arc of a circle subtending an angle at 60 degree at its center. Find the radius of the circle. Write the question. These are all 2 marks questions, okay? So you are not supposed to take so much of time as well. So plan your timing as like. So carry on. Just give me a minute. Someone is at the door. I need to open it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it's correct, Daksh. Arc, matlab it's a part of a circle. So it will be angle is given, that much will be the. Yes, it is correct, Saransh. Yes. What about the rest? Manvi and Manya. Yes, Manvi, it's correct. Yeah, Manya,
मैंने
tell me.
मैम सेंड किया था आंसर
हाँ.
सेंड किया था आंसर आपको
You sent me? Wait. ठीक है, 1 minute मुझे देखने दो. हाँ, ठीक है. Yes, it's correct, all of you. ठीक है. So we shall keep it till here for today. Now next class we are going to start with surface area volume. Okay. We are going to do sums from your textbook as well as some extra questions. Okay. Not some. Mostly I will be focusing on previous year papers and some extra questions as well as like your maths textbook. ठीक है? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So I will see you guys in the next class. Thank you. And do remember the homework. Okay. I have given you, you need to do it. I have given you plenty of time. Wait till 3, like your 3rd class. Before the 3rd class, you need to share me. Whatever you have done, please be loyal with yourself. Keep the timer. And जितना हो पाए उस टाइम में उतना ही सेंड करो. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो. Bye bye. Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Good night. Good night. Bye bye.